सो हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू दी चैनल। और इस नए एपिसोड ऑफ चिट चैट विद द हसलर्स में आप सभी का स्वागत है। इस एपिसोड का जो गेस्ट है वो है पुलकित सिंह। एंड आपको टाइटल से तो पता ही चल गया होगा, ही इज़ जस्ट 13 ईयर्स ओल्ड एंड ही इज़ अ वेब डेवलपर। ही इज़ अ ओपन सोर्स एंथुसियास्ट एंड ही इज़ द यंगेस्ट कम्युनिटी बिल्डर, राइट। अभी इसने काफ़ी कुछ किया हुआ है। एंड इवन अगर मैं बात करता हूँ कॉलेज ग्रेजुएट्स वगैरह की, तो भी इसने इतना कुछ कर रखा है कि उन लोगों तक को शर्म आ सकती है, राइट। और हमने जब पॉडकास्ट लिया था पुलकित का, वी आर सो मच फील एनर्जेटिक आफ्टर टॉकिंग टू पुलकित। एंड गेस वॉट, अगर आप इस पॉडकास्ट को पूरा देखते हो, मैं गारंटी कर रहा हूँ आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा सीखने को मिलेगा। उसकी लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, किस तरीके से उसने 13 ईयर्स की एज में ही हैकेथॉन्स किए हैं, काफ़ी सारे, लाइक आई गेस 50+ हैकेथॉन्स में इसने पार्टिसिपेट कर रखा है। एंड नॉलेज इनसेन है यार, इनसेन है, राइट। अगर ये कर सकता है तो आप लोग भी कर सकते हो। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। और अगर पॉडकास्ट अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ शेयर करना, लाइक करना। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
So hello, Pulkit. Welcome to the Hustlers. Thank you for joining. How was your day today?
या ग्रेट गोइंग। आज का तो ये फर्स्ट मीट ही है मेरा एंड लाइक फर्स्ट रिकॉर्डिंग एंड ऑल। तो डे तो बहुत अच्छा गया। कल कल एक ग्रैंड इवेंट था, फर्स्ट टाइम होस्ट किया, तो एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा गया एंड लाइक इट्स माय प्लेजर टू लाइक
Mhm.
जॉइन यू ऑल हियर एंड हैव सम कन्वर विद यू। सो या थैंक्स फॉर लाइक इनवाइटिंग मी हियर।
Thank you for joining. Okay, so we'll start with the questions. The very first question, very common question जो आपसे सब पूछते होंगे कि like you have done so many things at age of just 13. अगर हम लोग अपनी बात करें तो we at age of 13 were told to study like school books and give the exams and नंबर लाने होते हैं अच्छे, नंबर नहीं लाते थे अच्छे तो पेरेंट्स की मार पड़ती थी पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग पे। एंड आपने उस एज पे लाइक इतने टेक्निकल डोमेन्स में आप घुस गए हैं, ओपन सोर्स, एमएलएच वगैरह सब कुछ आपने ट्राई कर लिया है। So basic question, how you started, how you developed an interest in open source? Like basic यही है कि आपने begin कैसे किया, कहाँ से आपको inspiration मिली, and what is the starting point to this?
तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एज एज को कंसिडर मत करो आप। बेसिकली एज इज जस्ट ए नंबर, इज सिंपल कोट एवरीवन नोज। एंड starting में in my whole journey googling has been one of my favorite part. Whenever I googled, I have learned something and I have gained something in my whole journey and all. So even when I talk about communities, through googling I got into it. I was searching about my all technical stuffs and all, and through that I got to know there is something known as GDG, a Google developer group basically. So through that I got to know there are even communities for these techie folks and all. So first of all I got into GDG, I got into DSC and all. Through that I got an inspirations from various folks. One was Kartike Rawat, one of my great inspirations. Like he was not able to create his own DSC in like his college, and so he created his one of the greatest community. Even when we talk about MLH, DSC is one of the well-known community there, and a vast community. Almost I guess around 1,000 folks are already there, and such a great community. So even I got to know and I connected with so much great folks. I connected with so much folks who are in open source, who are in cloud and all. So through that I even connected with one of the MVPs for basically Angular, and through that even my journey got into as an intern, as a full stack developer and all. So basically communities and open source and googling, these three were the one of the main key parts in my whole journey. So yeah, that's all, and that's how what I am right now.
Okay, so Pulkit, you talked about many things like Angular and React and full stack things. So
Mhm.
curious to know how many languages and how many frameworks you know, like you have worked on it. How many frameworks you have worked on?
Yeah, for this, if we talk about generally, mostly, and everyone is into majorly, some of the well-known programming languages already. Like
Mm-hmm.
everyone gets started with like trying some of the different programming languages and all. So I got into Python. Then there is JavaScript, HTML, CSS are like secondary things. They are in it, but yes, these four are the main. And like even I'm into React, and will be looking forward to Angular soon, and currently working on React and Node. And after this, if if we talk about this, everyone has used almost many of the languages, right? So for in that, if I want to include, I can include Java, I can include C++, I can include C#, and like there are many languages which I have used, but currently going on with almost, I guess, 5 to 6 right now.
Okay, okay, that's great. Like, what's your influence in your school? And an official question. आपके स्कूल में like आपके टीचर्स वगैरह को जब पता चलता है कि स्टूडेंट है एक हमारी क्लास में पढ़ने वाला एंड ही इज इनटू लाइक इंजीनियरिंग के जो सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं उन पे फोकस कर रहा है लाइक रिएक्ट एंगुलर JavaScript and C#, C, you named every language almost.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
like, what is your influence in your school and the fellow mates?
Yeah, so basically, when I got into it, even my teachers got to know and all. So first of all, my computer teachers, suddenly I was highlighted that I'm in programming and all, and they even had some talk with me regarding it. And like even they were not having time, but yeah, they told that if this pandemic closes and all, like ends, we will surely have a meet with you and like discuss about it and all. So first I was got highlighted for my computer teachers, and then the other teachers are obviously they were, since currently due to pandemic, everyone has got started with so all these digital and like network and online stuffs, right? So through that, like whenever there is some lag in between, there is some problem going on in the meet and all, they start like ask Pulkit. So these are some of the things that really appreciates me.
That's great. Like, it feels very good.
Mhm.
You are doing something out of the box, providing yourself an edge, and that's very good. Like, that's all from my side now. Ananya will ask further questions from you.
Sure.
So, hi Pulkit. So my question is for you is, as we go through your LinkedIn profile, we got to know about you are participated in 50 plus communities and hackathons. So can you
Yeah.
tell us about those? Like what type
Yeah,
of
sure.
communities they were in and what type of hackathons you have participated, like what domain they were focused?
Mhm. Yeah, sure. So first, let's get into communities. Basically, even through communities, I got into hackathons and all. You know. So basically, even I included before communities where even I got into it through Googling. And first communities were GDG and all. Even through that, I got into one of the GDG communities, that is GDG Chandigarh. So there I became a volunteer, and even currently continuing my role there. So through GDG Chandigarh, I even got into various vast communities there. Almost, if you check my that GDG profile, I will be there almost, I guess, in 30 plus GDGs only. So you can include that, but yeah, let's not include that, as even though I attend events, even though I contributed even after I'm attending their sessions and all, but let's not include it right now. So through that, I got into JDGs, then I got into DSCs. Even now I'm in WTM. Through that, even I won at WTM International Women's Day, event was there through WTM India. So these all things were going on, and then the thing comes, I even got into cloud computing and all. So cloud, Google Cloud, AWS, Azure, and a lot of stuff regarding cloud. So I first got into DigitalOcean. simple stuff. I first got into it. Then I started with Google Cloud through Quick Labs and all. And through even this Google Cloud and all, I got into some of the Google Cloud communities. Then I when I started with Azure, I got into some of the Azure communities, and these stuffs were going on. Like even when I got into React, I got into React communities, through which even I recently won one of the event there, React Day India and all. So like uh, whenever you talk about any of the technologies I got into, I specifically have a community for it. Like I'm a member of it, or I'm a organizer there for hosting these all kind of stuffs. So apart from this, through communities, even I hopefully, like if we talk about at least community, there are a large number. But now let's get into hackathons, right? So the first part comes like hackathons were even like when I got into GDG Chandigarh. Then after that I got into some DSCs as well, right? So through that I got into one of the hackathons, that was OctaHex, I guess 3.0 and all. So in that I was, I guess, in 50 like top 50 teams and all. And the things were going on same, and like even through that I got into MLH. So I started with it. I mentored, hopefully I mentored 100 plus folks, at least 20 in one hackathon. So a vast number, then I got into, even hopefully through my work, I got selected as judge at one of the hackathon, and that was a really a great experience for me. And then the thing was like MLH, I just asked MLH, like if you want, even I can mentor at MLH and like help you all in judging and all. Some kind of, yeah, cool stuff. I just tried what they will reply and all. I was just thinking. So hopefully they saw like I was mentor at these hackathons and all. So even I tried to help folks at MLH specifically. So the thing was like they take me in, and even they take me in as a judge and mentor and all. And I started like mentoring at MLH as well. So a big deal for me. It was a kind of proud stuff going on in my like brain and all. So after that, the thing was at the starting when I created PUG, I was more into GDGs and all. So I tried to connect my community with Google. So I got to know about Google Community Leads platform, right? So at that moment I tried applying. I was not I was like rejected. And after 4 months, when our community was big, we had hosted almost 10 plus events and all. So I applied, and hopefully we got into it. And that's how even I yesterday organized one of the the grand event of PUG, IO Extended Universal, basically the extended part of Google IO. So this is how we even got connected with Google and all. And these things were like continuing, even it's now continuing and all. So the thing is like the main motive of creating my own community was basically, people need to get more practical knowledge than just theoretical way and all. And the best part for it is collaboration work that goes in communities. So I just created it, and hopefully it became something big. And the things go on. And it's one thing is like, you should always note, it's nothing like when we talk about communities, there are many positive stuff, but some way there are some negative part of it as well. So you should just ignore it, like ignore it. No need of um, like giving it some presence in your mind and all. So yeah, that's the thing. I just go, the best part was googling, and the things came. So yeah,
So that's
that's
the
all.
best part. That's the best part. I feel the best engineers are those who know the art of Googling. And you are the
Yeah,
best example in front of us. Okay, so all the viewers who are seeing, just take a note. If you are stuck in somewhere, if you wanted to have deep dive into something, just Google it, right? You can find a lot of resources in it. Like in our previous podcast, Kartike Bhaiya has told us, like, if you Google web dev, you can find up to 3 pages of web search
Mhm.
there, like the resources of web dev. So you can see like
Yeah.
there are plenty of resources out there. You have to just go and Google it out. So again, like Pulkit,
Uh,
I
one
welcome
thing
you.
I would like
Yeah.
to include in is, when we talk about Googling, there are many folks who will tell, like, we can just get some mentoring from the mentors there are available to mentor us, right? So the thing is, you should do some homework and all. It's great to become a mentee, but at the same moment, you should even become a mentor and all, like helping even in a small part. But the thing is, you should have some homework and all. This thing is like I have learned it from Kunal Khushwa, one of my greatest inspirations. He's into open source. He's into almost everything. I just really like his work and all. So the thing is, you should do some homework. You should some do research and all. And if at the moment, like, you think like you didn't got the main knowledge that you want, and like you can't solve your problem at that moment, then you can take some mentorship and all. But the thing is, try to be with free resources and not with paid one and all.
So Pulkit, that was great. Like आपने अभी तक काफी कुछ बताया हमारे viewers को. So I was going through your profile on LinkedIn, and I found that you are an intern at Tech Vraksh, right? So
Yeah.
can you tell the viewers like which role you applied for and how you get that internship? Because at the age of engineering, like students who is like third and fourth year of engineering, they just struggle for the internship, and you at this age got that internship. So like how you get it, and what's your role in that internship?
Actually, again, communities come here. It's something like communities has been a big role in my whole journey as well. So through that, like communities and all, I got it, like connected with one of the MVPs for Angular that I included before, Srishti ma'am, I guess. Yeah. So basically, she's the founder of this organization basically, and she recently started it around 3 to 4 months. And at the starting, like, she connected with me and all, and we had a meet regarding it as well. So the thing was, she had a go through of my whole portfolio, and she talked about how I worked in it and all. So the thing was, through that, I got into it. Basically, I got into it. Nothing, not even, it was not an interview. It was a conversation with her, and she told me that, would you like to join us? The thing is, I didn't interview there. I joined them. All right.
राइट राइट. सो आई फील अभी तक जो भी व्यूअर्स देख रहे हैं उनको गिल्ट हो रहा होगा कि लाइक पुलकित अपना 24 आवर्स में से एक छोटा सा अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम वो नहीं निकाल पाया बिकॉज उसके पास काफी सारा काम था एट दिस एज. एंड वो इसके लिए गिल्टी फील कर रहा है. एंड ब्रो, इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आप गिल्टी हो. आपने इतना कुछ किया हुआ है एंड यू आर डूइंग मच मोर अहेड एंड यू आर डूइंग गुड. सो नो नीड टू फील गिल्टी फॉर दैट. आई होप हम सबको भी शर्म आ सकती है थोड़ी थोड़ी. बट दैट्स द पार्ट, लाइफ में हमें हर चीज को, इट्स नॉट द टाइम, इट्स द एनर्जी यू कैन. आई एवरी टाइम से कि आप, एज आई ऑलवेज से कि आपके पास 24 आवर्स सबके पास होते हैं, राइट? अगर आप बोलते हो कि मैं उस काम को नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, इट्स लाइक कि आपके पास उस काम को करने की एनर्जी नहीं है, राइट? सो पुलकित, लाइक आपने काफी कुछ अच्छा कर रखा है. काफी सारे व्यूअर्स को आपसे इंस्पिरेशन लेनी चाहिए कि एट दिस एज आपने कम्युनिटी के फायदे बताए हैं, ठीक है? एंड आई थिंक कम्युनिटी ने आपकी लाइफ में काफी अच्छा रोल प्ले किया है. और एक बात तो मैं समझ चुका हूँ कि अगर आप कम्युनिटी से जुड़े हुए हो तो आप स्टार्ट तो ऐसे करते हो कि लाइक आपने कम्युनिटी में गए, आप थोड़ा सा उन पे कंट्रीब्यूट किया, एंड उसके बाद आपकी जो जितने भी रिसोर्सेज हैं वो सब खुलते रहते हैं. लाइक दरवाजे जो हैं वो खुलते रहते हैं, अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपके पास आती रहती हैं. सो द थिंग
Yes.
इज कि आपको नेटवर्किंग करनी पड़ती है. यहाँ पर भी नेटवर्किंग का एक पॉइंट आ गया मेरे सामने.
Mhm.
सो अगर आप नेटवर्किंग के बारे में बता सको अपनी कि हाउ यू स्टार्टेड, लाइक आप कितना नेटवर्किंग पे विश्वास रखते हो?
All right. So first thing is, like, knowledge, and like for sure you should have second stuff, that is networking. Like, networking के दम पे ही आप, एटलीस्ट फॉर कम्युनिटीज एंड ऑल, नेटवर्किंग के दम पे ही आप कुछ कर सकते हो. लाइक, इफ यू जॉइन ए वेल एक्टिव कम्युनिटी, आपका नेटवर्क ऐसे ही हो जाएगा. ऐसे ही हो जाएगा, मतलब आप देखो ना, आप अब यू हैव शेयर्ड सम टाइप ऑफ रिसोर्सेज एंड ऑल, like आपने कुछ blog लिखा, you shared it there, all right? So you will get a large amount of folk who would be checking that out, and you get a whole large network for it. But at the same time, when you are having a small, like you are trying to create your own community. So one thing is like, when we talk about communities, it's not at all like you should have a like logo or something and all. You should have a Discord group, and really not really like that. It's basically like, we know as communities are something, a place, a place or platform, where people collaborate for, like helping each other, and nothing else. All right. So the thing comes same here. Like, even if you are trying to create some threads on Twitter, you are writing some blogs on, Hashnode and all. So the thing comes here, you need networking there. Like, if you don't have that much great connection and all who can help you in networking, you need to have a great network for it, right? So at least, like, if you are creating content, let's first get started with the basic and the first beginning part of it. All right. First, we start with writing, thinking and all. We publish it. All right. The thing comes here, you are saying no one is viewing it, but the thing is, you can't say that. Like, if you are talking about Twitter, you can check that through Twitter analytics, but sometimes people don't check that really. All right. So the same thing comes here. They see there is no like, there is no retweet and all. So it's basically like they will think, no one is checking that out and all. But the thing comes here, even though if you have one follow, even though there is at least one folk who is checking your content, and he's using it for his preference and all, and like future resources, something like that. All right. So even helping one folk is a big thing. For me it was. Then it came to 100 and all. The thing comes here is everyone starts with 0 and then 1, and then the numbers continue. All right. So the same thing all comes in. The start with 0 1, and then the things gone like binary numbers 0 and 1. And you know you just need to continue with 0 and 1, and then the whole thing will go on. Like at the starting you will have 10 followers, 10 folks who are watching it, like after 1 0 and all. Then after that, like number are getting increased.
राइट पुलकित, सो दैट वाज इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट, एंड आई फील कि काफी सारे व्यूअर्स को सब चीजों के बारे में जानने के लिए मिला होगा आपसे, काफी ज्यादा इंस्पिरेशन दी होगी आपने उन सब लोगों को. सो वंस अगेन थैंक यू पुलकित फॉर ज्वाइनिंग द सेशन विद अस. लाइक हमें काफी मजा आया, काफी ज्यादा नॉलेज मिली हमें कम्युनिटीज के बारे में. इफ यू आस्क लाइक अबाउट माई सेल्फ कि मैंने इससे क्या सीखा, तो द बेस्ट पार्ट इज गूगलिंग, राइट. सो एक चीज जो सबको बहुत अच्छी तरह से मैं समझा देता हूँ कि गूगल करो चीजों को. जो लोग सोचते हैं एक्सप्लोर कैसे करें, उनके लिए बेस्ट ऑप्शन है आप गूगल करो उस वर्ड को, आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा, राइट. सेकंड टेक अवे की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ अपने, तो वो होगा कम्युनिटीज से जुड़ना, राइट. जैसे पुलकित को कम्युनिटीज से जुड़ने के बाद काफी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिली, उसी तरीके से आप लोगों को भी मिल सकती है. सो दैट वाज माय की टेक अवे. कुडोज ब्रो, आप को मैं काफी सारी विशेष देता हूँ कि आप आगे सक्सेस पाओ, ठीक है. लाइक अभी आप काफी छोटे हो हम लोगों से, लेकिन काफी मचा रहे हो धूम, ठीक है. एंड आई फील काफी आगे मचाते रहोगे. सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू योर जर्नी अहेड, काफी अच्छी होने वाली है. विल जॉइन यू, ठीक है. आपके साथ हम कोलैबोरेट भी करेंगे आगे. सो ओवर टू यू दीपक.
Okay, so Rishabh, you talked about many things, and biggest takeaway from me for me is your skills are very important. You need to focus on your skills. You need to learn skills, but being part of communities is also important. Which lack of students, many of students lack being part of community. They don't know about what communities are and how to collaborate in communities. They just focus on their skills and study. पढ़ाई करके नंबर लाना है. And that, मतलब ये सब कुछ नहीं होता. You need to collaborate, you need to communicate with your fellow mates, with your peer mates to grow.
So at last to all the viewers, पुलकित क्या आप बोलोगे, अगर कोई अभी तक लाइक व्यूअर है जो अभी तक देख रहा है, तो सब्सक्राइब कर दे. सो प्लीज आस्क द व्यूअर्स टू प्लीज सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल.
Sure. So first of all, they are a content creator and they are sharing some great resources and all for you all, right? So just make sure to click that bell icon and subscribe it, and make sure to even give this video a like, and all the videos of this channel a like. All right. And yeah, make sure
Right.
to share it. Like they even need some networking and all, right? So
Cool. Like thank you Pulkit for joining us. I feel हमको काफी अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके, काफी सारे लोगों को इंस्पिरेशन मिली होगी. So at last I wanted to say like subscribe to the channel, share this, and till then meeting the next time. Till then keep hustling, keep learning. Bye.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. Roll up to the